And the verdict is likely today in the Masapadi case against the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and his daughter. The verdict is on the petition of MLA Matthew Kuzhalnadhan, and the Thiruvananthapuram court is likely to announce the verdict today. This is regarding the Masapadi case against the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and his daughter. CNN News 18's Neetu is now joining us on the story with more details. Neetu, can you tell us more about this whole case?
Now, this monthly payment case, this has been in the news for quite some time. There has been allegations and counter allegations in this case. Now, the Congress MLA Matthew Kuzhalnadhan is the petitioner in this case. He had approached the Vigilance Court against Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and his daughter Veena, seeking investigation, seeking a probe into this allegations of bribe that has been given. So, according to Matthew Kuzhalnadhan's petition, the amount that has been given to Veena Vijayan's company, he says that no service has been given. There is no records of any kind of service given to, and says that this is some kind of a bribe. He says that the Chief Minister has also involved himself even after an order from the Geology and Mining Department in 2019. The license of this company was not cancelled. So these were some of the allegations that has been made. The Vigilance Court is expected to give its verdict today. We'll have to wait and watch what the verdict says, whether there will be a probe against the Chief Minister and his daughter. What the CPIM and the CM has been saying is that this was an agreement between two private firms, Exalogic of Veena Vijayan and the CMRL company. So that is between two private firms. It has nothing to do with the Chief Minister.
All right, Neetu, thank you so much for all those details. With that, we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.